Alright, today we get to do a solar project at the new Finn and Cat dealership they built in Colona.
We got the crane set up, so what we're going to do is take those solar arrays and put them up on that roof. What we do is we pre-build these in our shop, then all we got to do is haul them to site, get the crane to grab them, put them on the roof, and we don't have to mess around up there with bringing panels up onto the roof, doing all the install. You just show up, pick them up, lift them over, done. Real easy. Each one of these skids has 4 panels at about 500 watts each for about 2 kilowatts per skid. You'll notice when we do this, we face the panels both ways. One face is east, the other face is west. One of the problems with solar is when it's all south-facing, all the power from solar hits the grid right at like 1 o'clock in the afternoon. By moving them east-west, you have an even output of power throughout the day. In the morning, you get good power output from the east. In the afternoon, you get good power output from the west-facing panels. We do a lot of off-grid systems, and we found that this just produces a more even power throughout the day. After 30 minutes with the crane, we got them all up on the roof. We just got to connect the wires, and we're good to go. See 4 connectors together. That's hard. We're just connecting the solar into that. That then goes down into the roof, into the sub panel, and it's done. There we go. That was easy. Pre-fabbing everything in the shop and hauling it all together assembled is absolutely the way to go. This entire job only took an hour and a half. I was there setting up at 7:30 in the morning, rolling out of here by 9 a.m., and the boys weren't too far behind me in the pickup.